Hi everyone. So we have a very important notification here from Google. You can see there is an internship from Google company, software engineering intern winter 2022. You can apply for this. I will leave the description. So in this, what is the important thing in this? Very simple. We are all going to passed out in 2022, and all of them can able to apply here. So everyone can apply. Before 27th, you have to apply this one. Before 27th August 2021. This winter internship will going to start from January 2022 and will be 22 to 24 weeks. Nothing but almost all 2 years. 2 years of internship they will going to provide, and you have to choose the location that is preferred one. Which one you will prefer most, priority based? So Bangalore or Hyderabad. So you have to prefer that one. Again, what is the qualification is required? So it's not saying that basically only CS students or something like IT students has to apply like that. They haven't mentioned here. They mentioned very clearly any bachelor's degree or master's degree like BE, BTech or ME, MTech, and others also who have done courses on C, C++, Java, JavaScript. Like they have done, some people will do so many courses. On those courses, you can able to use those courses and you can able to apply. You have to put the certificates and experience coding in one of more like C, C++, Java, JavaScript, Python, and the similar languages like Go language, all those things. So preferred qualifications, they are saying very clearly, experience with data structure, either it may be a C or C++ or Java or Python, whatever it may be, or algorithms gathered from inside or outside the school or work, including open source hobby coding. So you have to apply one who knows coding as well as data structure and algorithms, and web applications like Linux, Unix environments, all those things. Again, application development, distributed and parallel systems, machine learning, information retrieval, natural language processing, networking, developing a large system, software systems, security software development, available to work full-time for a minimum of 6 months outside of the university term time. Okay, ability to speak and write in English fluently. So it's very important. One thing you need to understand very clearly about these notification is you need to be speaking English and you have to write in English, that is fluently. Again, there are a lot of products in Google. So on those products, they will going to give you a job. So you have to work on that, like YouTube. So many products are there, right? So on that. So which type you are looking for, you have to tell very clearly, product based or engineering productivity. Product based is nothing but something like YouTube and Gmail and Google Files, Google Drive, so many things are there, so many products. On those products, you have to work on that. Okay, so you have to do the research, and there is a finding the bugs, and you have to identify so what is good, what is bad, everything you have to identify all those things. For that research, they will going to hire you people. You have to work on that. And productivity. So here, when it comes to engineering productivity, it is almost all testing. So analysis and design. Okay, so how you're going to write the test cases for the programming, all those things you have to learn. So that is engineering productivity. Again, responsibility, create and support a productive and innovative team, including working with peers, managers and teams, develop scripts to automate routine tasks, analyze information and evaluate the results to choose the best solution to the effectively solve problems, apply knowledge gained in the computer science and course to real world problems. So nothing but data structure and algorithms. So use that one concepts and you solve the problems. Okay, so mention in these two areas, nothing but these two locations, the jobs are available, internship available. Either go for Andhra Pradesh or Bangalore. So please apply before 27. It's a good opportunity. So if you done well, definitely that internship will be converted into job. So basically very good opportunity. Take advantage of this. Thank you. Please share and subscribe. Thank you very much.